It's a new year and due time that we bring you what you can expect to see when you get to the beach this summer. So stay tuned as we give you the latest new list for 2023. What's happening, everybody? Beachin with the Boones, and I know you're very excited to get to the beach this summer to see what's new and have lots of fun. Well, keep this list handy when making it down here so you can see each one of these firsthand when you get here.
The first item that we'll show will be the Red Dragon Cove Adventure Golf. This one should be completed by the spring of this year. This will be a 36-hole Asian-themed course. It is located on the corner of Highway 17 Business and 20th Avenue South. In the same location where the K&W cafeteria used to be. Of course, it's only 1 block away from the Cancun Lagoon Adventure Golf Course, the one that is shaped like a Central American pyramid. But the Red Dragon will be the newest one of over 50 other miniature golf courses along the Grand Strand. This new course will feature several elevation changes, elephant sculptures, and a large ship-themed hole. The estimated cost with land and construction will be anywhere between $200,000 and $2 million. So if it's completed when you get here, have fun. Next, as if one putt-putt course wasn't enough, the Myrtle Beach Community Appearance Board, or CAB, has approved Ripley's Believe It or Not to add a mini golf course to its North Ocean Boulevard location. This one should be completed by the spring as well. However, this one will be indoors, so you can have fun in the rain. This indoor course will be between the Haunted Adventure and movie theater portions of the building. They've begun painting the exterior turquoise, neon green, and purple to establish continuity across the facade. They said they were trying to take a different approach to the boulevard than what has been there for the last 10 to 20 years. They said it's a family-friendly, inviting kind of thing. Signage will be white and yellow with some red. So if it's completed when you get here, try it out, rain or shine. Next on the list is one that we featured just last month, the Peach Cobbler Factory. This one is located at Carolina Forest in the Ocean Bay Market, right beside Lowe's Foods. And they offer much more than cobblers, like banana pudding, ice cream, shakes, and more. You can also get a mix and match flight like we did, which comes with a bowl of ice cream. This one opened just at the end of last year, but they are scheduled to open several more up and down the Grand Strand area in the near future. So it's a good bet one will be near you wherever you stay at the beach this coming year. So when you're hot this summer and hankering for something to cool you off, look for the Peach Cobbler Factory somewhere at the beach near you. Up next, the Black Drum Brewery. This one is scheduled to open in February. This oceanfront brewery is where the action will be this summer. Located at the Embassy Suites at the Kingston Resort, this will be your one-stop place for fun. Not only has the water park here been recently updated, with new outside seating all around the water areas, but the drinks and food at this establishment set the bar almost out of reach for others in their category. And it's a great place for outdoor weddings, receptions, and events. Sit back and take in the great ocean views while enjoying over 40 brews on tap and being served delicious meals by the best chefs around. So come play your favorite yard game, have a cold one, and relax here this year. The Black Drum Brewery. The next one on the list is Legends Sports Pub and Grill. This one is located right in the heart of all the action on Ocean Boulevard, just up from the Skywheel. They are scheduled to open this month and will specialize in great food as well as multiple beers on tap. And don't think if you come you'll miss your favorite team, as they are loading the inside with enough TV sets to fill a stadium. This is a family-owned business and plans to take full advantage of the people walking and vacationing in the area. But they will be large enough to accommodate anyone that's looking for a great relaxing location that may be traveling from far away. So if you like good food or sports, this is your place. Finally, the last one is one of our favorites, the Crazy Mason Milkshake Bar. The Myrtle Beach location was the first one to open. And after 3 years, they are relocating from the 810 bowling alley to the old Sticky Fingers building located beside the Coastal Grand Mall in Myrtle Beach. They're so popular, they've outgrown their original space of 400 square foot and needed space to stretch their legs. Or should I say, stretch their shakes. They will continue to offer sweet treats of all kinds, specializing in unique milkshakes and sundaes served in a keepsake, customer-designed mason jar and color-changing bowls. This move will help them put a better emphasis on the desserts to become what they've always wanted, the ultimate dessert destination. Oh yeah, and we almost forgot, the new railings along Ocean Boulevard. These were actually put into place several months ago, but we decided to add them on this list just in case you didn't see them on one of our other videos. So if you haven't been on the boulevard since last year, they'll be new to you. There's what's new or on the way for 2023. We hope this helps you to decide on what to do or where to go when you get to the beach this year. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay in the know of the things around the beach. And share this channel with everyone you know, your family, your friends, even your great grandma, so everyone can keep beaching.